Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to resize multiple text boxes in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to resize multiple text boxes. Firstly, insert some text box. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the Draw Text Box option and draw a text box. Then write anything on this text box. Then again draw a text box. Go back again the Insert menu and draw a text box. Now we want to resize the multiple text boxes. Press Shift on our keyboard and select the multiple text box. Then go to the Shape Format menu and change the height and width. Now I write height 6, then write width 7, then click enter. Now we can see we resize multiple text boxes very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.